Hi, Neil Kelly here from the Jewellery Company. Today I'm going to show you how to gold plate this pair of sleepers. We sell hundreds of these every month on eBay and Etsy. So without further ado, let's get plating. Okay, so the items that we need is the gold plating pen. These filter tips that go into the end of the gold plating pen. Some water, gold plating solution. This is 6 grams per litre, 24 carat. I tip that into this little container, which makes it easier, and always keep the lid on when not in use. Pair of gloves, because this is not too good if it's on your hands, and then you should put your hands in your mouth. The sleepers. Put the gloves on. The solution, you can plate at 3 to 6 volts. Then if you look on here, on the adapter goes from 3 volts right up to 12 volts. You have this little key that you can turn to adjust the voltage. So I'm going to put it on 6 volts. I'm going to plug the adapter in, and we're going to get one of the filters. You just twizzle the end there, that just goes in like that. So the filter's in the end of the pen there. I'm going to put one of the hinge sleepers onto the crocodile clip. The other end. I'm going to dip into the solution, leave it in there for about a minute so that the solution absorbs into the filter and up into the pen. To gently rub onto the sleeper there. As you can see, it's already going gold.
Turn this round, and then dip some more solution in there. That's one done.
And there's the other one. And then drop the earrings into the water just to neutralise any chemical that's on there. And there we have a pair of gold plated sleepers. And customers on Etsy are over the moon with these. You can read the reviews on there. The site is jewellerycompany.etsy.com. Thank you for watching.